Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to unblock people on TikTok. So if you want to unblock someone on TikTok, what you have to do is first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening your TikTok application then tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after tapping on your profile icon, now tap on the three-part icon which is on the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on settings and privacy. After tapping on settings and privacy, you have to tap on profile, and after opening your profile, you have to scroll all the way down and you can find blocked accounts. You have to tap on blocked accounts, and after tapping on blocked accounts, here you can find the accounts which you have blocked, and next to them you can find the option block and unblock. So if you want to unblock a person that you have blocked, you will find the unblock option next to their name. You just have to tap on unblock, and after tapping on that unblock option, you will unblock that person from your account. So this is how to unblock people on TikTok. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.